Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you solve your mobile data problem in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to solve guys your mobile data problem, so guys you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve mobile data problem in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So guys, now let's see how to solve mobile data problem friends. So guys, first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve your mobile data problem. So if we will on our phone setting, then guys what will you have to do guys? First of all guys, you can see your connection and sharing options. So guys tap here, then guys scroll, and guys you can see your reset settings. So guys tap here, then guys you can see your mobile data reset setting. Tap here, and guys don't worry guys, after guys you can see this type of notification guys. You have your pattern lock, you have your guys pin lock, and guys you have your name password. So guys enter it. We don't have another choice, so I will draw my pattern. Then guys you can see reset. So guys okay, so you can see setting has been reset in our Xiaomi phone. Then guys you can use your mobile data without any problem. After guys you have any problem, so I don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. And guys you can see guys you can do one more thing guys. Guys you can on your airplane mode, then guys and guys off it. Then guys you can use your mobile data. So I don't worry guys, after that guys you have any problem, so I take a screenshot and guys send me. Okay friends, bye bye, thanks for watching.